do your science?
I don't care. I'm schooled out.
You just started, and Mom is not going to be happy.
Wait, I've got an idea.
You know what, Luca? You're right. Let's decorate.
Seriously?
Yes. We can make a bubbly, bloody blood jar.
Bloody? Awesome!
Lesson 1 of being in charge. Trick your brother into learning. And lesson 2, make him think it was his idea.
So, what are you going to do first? I thought I heard something about blood.
Yes, Luca. So the first step is get a jar.
Whoa. We need costumes.
Costumes?
Yeah. It's a lab. We need lab costumes. I like to be in Luca's lab.
No, it's Gab's lab.
Why did they say Luca's lab instead of Gab's lab? It's Luca's lab.
It's Gab's lab.
No, it's Lucas. Oh, whatever. Let's get to the good part. Wait. I'm the mad scientist!
Okay, mad scientist. Can we get back to the experiment?
Definitely.
So, you have your jar.
Yeah.
The first thing you want to put in your jar is...
water.
Yes. So, dump 1/3 of the jar full of water.
All of it?
Yes.
A mad scientist definitely should do this.
Okay. So, next you're going to use food coloring, which you're not going to use. I'm going to do that. Use about 5 drops, I'd say.
It's the blood part, the best part.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then,
That looks like blood.
yes, it does. Then you're going to use a spoon, and you're going to stir it up a little bit. Okay, now you're going to get some olive oil or vegetable oil.
Oh, can I help you with that?
I got it. It's already open. It's already open, Mr. Mad Scientist.
I'm mad.
And a scientist. Okay, so then you dump it in. Don't be careful not to spill. Okay, and that's all you want to use.
Wow, I see all right.
So, as you can tell, the water and the oil do not mix because they'll never mix. Because water has a lot more molecules tightly packed together than the oil does.
That's cool.
So, ready for the final step?
Uh-huh.
Do you know what these are?
Scissors.
Yes, ALKA-SELTZER. So, go ahead and put 2 of these into our...
At the same time?
if you want, sure.
And put more?
Sure, put 1 more. Okay, see? See how the water is bubbling up to the top? Isn't that cool?
It seems weird, but cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
But it doesn't make sense how it is.
So let me explain what happened. First, we added water and oil together, but we know they don't mix because they're a molecule difference. Then we added ALKA-SELTZER. In a real lava lamp, they would use heat to make the water molecules rise, forming carbon dioxide, and to make it weigh less. In our experiment, we used the ALKA-SELTZER. When it hit the water, it reacted and made carbon dioxide, just like the heat did, but in a different way.
That's so cool. Can I do it?
Sure. And for extra spooky fun, you can put some stickers on your blood jar. Let's see. Let's put biohazard on it. And voila! Time to put it up in our Halloween decorations.
That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below.
Thank you for watching with my scientist, Luca, and my sister, Gabby. Don't tell me, sister. A spoon? Oh, this might come in handy when I need it for a weapon. Oh, my frog. I missed it. Oh, a banana. I need this. I'm hungry. I'll save this for later. A glove. I don't think I'm doing any cleaning. Oh, my flashcard. I remember this. I missed it. My favorite flashcard. Blender, liquid order. Matches. I don't think my mom wants to come in and play with that. What's this? A sock? Ugh, yuck. I don't need that.